Hey, this is the final video in a series on how to draw the torso, and today I'll cover the three main muscles of the back. To better understand these muscles, first we need to learn the skeletal landmarks of the back. Here they are: the base of the cranial notch, the 7 cervical vertebrae that can be easily felt at the lower portion of the neck, the scapula or shoulder blade, which aids the movement of the arms, and the spine that goes from the cranial notch to the pelvis, ending at the sacrum. Let's start the research phase with the trapezius. It has the shape of an upside-down dagger with a gem at the handle. The trap originates from the base of the skull and extends down to the 12th thoracic vertebrae. It inserts into the clavicles, acromion, and the spine of the scapula. The trapezius has a cylindrical form at the top, and its volume should be shown going along the forms it rests on, the rib cage, scapula, and neck. It's responsible for stabilizing and moving the scapula. As for the gesture, the trapezius pinches when the scapula moves closer to the spine, and it stretches when the scapula pulls forward. Next are the spinal erectors. Its shapes resemble 2 corn dogs. This muscle originates from the iliac crest and sacrum, and inserts into numerous points on the back and into the skull. It has a cylindrical volume and is responsible for extending the vertebral column and head. It also helps bend and rotate the back. The last muscle is the Latissimus dorsi. It has the shape of a chalice and originates from the iliac crest and the lower 6 thoracic vertebrae. Its insertion point is the front of the humerus, higher than the pectoralis attachment. The portion inserted into the humerus unfolds, much like the pectoralis when the muscle stretches. It's responsible for arm extension, adduction, and rotation. And that's how I studied the back muscles. If you haven't seen the first 2 videos of this series, which cover the front of the torso, you should check them out. If you found this video helpful, please like and consider subscribing. See you next time!